All right. This is another sheet I did with my AIS classes. Good practice. Most people pretty good at exponents, but a couple common mistakes you can avoid easily. People see one like number one and they say, oh, 6 times 4 is 24. That's not what it means. And you wouldn't make that mistake on this one because that's not a choice. But just remember, the base is the factor, right? So the factor is not 4. We're multiplying 6. How many sixes? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's it. It's B. No, it's not. Count more carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our answer. C. Right? Count them carefully. 5 to the third power, not 5 threes, but 3 fives. Count them carefully. All right, now going the other way. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about 6, I guess, right? Yeah, that's the answer. Please don't do that. Count them carefully. Don't get the easy ones wrong. Get the hard ones wrong. Actually, don't get any of them wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 twos. The answer is C again. All right, how many fours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fours. Not 4 nines. 9 fours. Good. These throw you guys off. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. A million times, it's still going to be 1. The other thing is to the 0 power. Remember, any number to the 0 power is 1. Doesn't make sense. I guess the only exception would be 0, right? 0 to the 0 power is 0. And 0 to any power is still 0. So that's a little tricky. Watch those. All right. We talked about this a bunch of times. Order doesn't matter. What property? They didn't change the numbers. They just changed the order. Commutative property. And we're going to talk more about those properties shortly. All right, evaluate each expression. 5 to the third power. Write it out the long way. 5 times 5 times 5. This one, everyone's going to do the same way. 25 times 5. Don't be afraid to write it out the long way if you need to. Is 125. Not too bad. Number 8's a little harder. 4 to the fifth power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My advice, do it this way. 16 times 16 times 4. Not that you can't go 16 times 4 and that answer times 4, but you might make a mistake. All right. Don't forget your multiplication. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1. 15. Carry the 1, 256 times 4. Right, because we have that one more 4 to deal with. Let's bring it down. 6 times 4, 24, 20, 22. 2 times 4 is 8, 9, 10. There's our answer. 1024. All right. These will throw you off. Don't forget about PEMDAS. What comes first? Multiplying or exponents? Exponents. And 10 to the fourth power is the same thing as a 1 with 4 zeros behind it. So that would be 10,000 times 14 is the same thing as a 14 with 4 zeros behind it. So the answer is 140,000. And that would be like scientific notation, for example. All right, this is a nice review of decimals. 4 songs at $1.29. Remember, count the decimal places. 1, 2. We need 2 in our answer. 9 times 4 is 36. 8, 9, 10, 11, 4, 5. $5.16 plus 99 cents plus 49 cents. Adding decimals, line up the decimals. Right? 9 and 9, 18. 9, 10, 14. $1.48. So 5.16 plus $1.48 is, let's see, 14, 4, 5, 6, $6.64 for the legally downloaded MP3s. All right. Hopefully you'd be ready. The only other question on the test will be a percents question. Just remember the easy percents, right? 100% means the whole thing, all. 50% means half. How do you find half? The easiest way, either multiply by 0.5 or divide by 2. 25% is half of half, right? Not hard. Again, the easiest way for most of these is change the percent to a decimal. So 100% is 1, 50% is 0.5, 25% is 0.25, and then you just multiply. So 1 times whatever, that gives you 100%. 0.5 times whatever, that gives you 50%. 0.25 times whatever, that gives you 25%. And that's true for all the percent questions. All right. Good luck tomorrow. Take care.